Hi stars. It's your girl Crystal Star here, and welcome back to my channel. I am back. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Really quickly, what I'm doing right now is taking my hair down. If you notice, I put it in a few braids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was 1, which makes it 6. I'm on my way. I'm getting ready to go to Hurricane Harbor. And yeah, so what I did was I took my weave out because I didn't want to put that hair in that water, of course. And I don't have no rings or nothing on, just my studs and my ears. I think I'm going to leave my necklaces on. But yeah, now I'm taking my hair out of these braids. And I'm going to put it in a ponytail at the top with my hair down in the back. So I'm just taking these out. And what I used to put these braids in was this Dark and Lovely Au Naturel Easy Twist Gel Butter and some, some Echo Styling Gel. And that's what we use to put these in. Spray a little Design Essentials leave-in conditioner on it. Bamboo and silk to get it out so it don't flake, because contrary to what it says on the Echo Style Gel, it flakes. It sucks that it flakes, but it does. But that Dark and Lovely, guys, that junk is life. Look, pretty crinkle, right? Pretty crinkle, pretty crinkle. Now, do I want to wear 2 ponytails? So, I'm sure you guys want to know what I've been up to and why I've been away. Well, I haven't really been doing anything. However, I got the job at Nordstrom's. You know what? I'm being a bad vlogger right now because I don't remember if I even posted the video to tell you guys about the Nordstrom's job or not, but I got the Nordstrom's job. So I'm working from home. I really like this cream stuff. So I guess I'll go ahead and go with 2 ponytails. I'm kind of feeling them. Oh, yeah. So, they're never even. I know I look pretty crazy right now. This is the beginning. But, anyway, back to the subject at hand. Don't want to keep you guys too long on this intro. I applied for the position. I've been applying for the, excuse me, I have my nose itching. I applied for the position about a year ago, maybe even longer. Didn't get it. That's how I ended up at Walmart, which is fine. You know, everything happens for a reason. And everything happens for a reason. And so I reapplied. Long story short, reapplied, got the position. And yeah, so I had to get a new computer. So I got a Dell all-in-one. It's pretty cool. I needed a new computer anyway because my processing speed on my old computer was horrible. And it was like a 1.4 or some situation. And I got a 2.7, I believe. Something like that. To a 3.0. I don't know. It's pretty good though. The computer costs $1,100. Hence why I'm not going to BeautyCon. So yeah, my mentor is coming out here, Keisha Kaylee. She's going to BeautyCon and I can't go. However, I'm pretty sure she's gonna have a meet and greet, and I will get to see her and talk to her. Even if she doesn't have a meet and greet, I'm pretty sure we'll link up. She'll be out here for about a week, so there's some stuff that we can do. But yeah, so I got the position. It starts July 11th for training in downtown Los Angeles. And yeah, that's about it. But I'm getting ready to go. My ponytails are so not even. I'm going to have to move this other one down because it's like I'm not feeling it, which is fine. But I will check back in with you stars later. Bye. Hey stars. Say hi stars.
Hi stars. Hi stars.
Where are we going?
Hurricane Harbor.
Yay, turn up. Y'all excited?
Where's that? I'm hungry.
You're going to eat us stuff. I don't know. Are we going to stop and get them?
Where's that?
Stop and get them. What you call it? We just passed McDonald's, like literally. Well, we're going to Hurricane Harbor. Yay! We are almost here. Best friend's driving. She has her hair in two braids. I have my hair in two ponytails, puffy in the back because this shit's about to get wet. And I'm then gonna put on my Nike hat. But I have my bathing suit on, the blue one, and this little dress thing from Forever 21.
And we're going to the pool.
We going to the pool.
Very big pool.
It's a humongous pool, like huge.
Yeah, look, I'm not getting it. You're not getting it? Then why you come?
You're just gonna put your feet in the pool, SJ. You're getting in the water, okay?
I'm gonna throw you in there.
With me,
We're gonna be like,
for sure.
You want me to take you back to your mama?
yeah, take Layla too. She been bad.
You're not gonna drown. It's not that. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna like it. It's gonna be
Trust me, you
fun.
gonna show me at Raging Waters.
Oh, we need to go there next.
I got a ticket, Crystal,
For what?
for Raging Waters. My school gave it to me.
Oh, that kind of ticket. I'm thinking you got like a ticket at Raging Waters for like doing something. I'm like, for what? All right, y'all. Well, we will see you shortly. We are on the freeway. Santa Clarita, that's where we are?
Now going to the beach.
That was our city. Now we're heading into the
Now we're in Valencia. We are in Valencia, California. Hurricane Harbor is right next door to Magic Mountain, which will be our next stop. And look, our exit, Magic Mountain Parkway. Yay. So we have season passes now, so we will be hitting this piece up this summer. Something for us to do. We ain't gotta pay a lot of money because we already paid the money. Six Flags, California. I haven't been here in 15 years.
Really?
Yeah, this was me and Charlie's first like real date.
Wait, so you haven't been here since I was born?
Yeah.
God, Jesus. I haven't been here since
It's been a while. But we about to turn up.
not even.
That y'all want to get on that?
No.
I do. I'm excited.
Crystal, I will die on that ride.
You'll be.
Use any lane to turn right onto Magic Mountain entrance, then slide left on your ticket purchases.
That's funny. It tell you where to go, like literally. Like
Yay! Where are we, guys? We over there. No. Lila, we're at the big what? The big
Swipe left on your
that's
ticket
swimming.
purchases. In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
It's the best. Look.
Take you back there anymore?
We're not going there, stupid.
I think so. You shouldn't use those words, Sheila. Don't call people stupid.
Look, Superman and
Can we go over there?
Oh, no. See why not? Over there.
Sheila, see if it's $20. Am I?
We don't pay for parking. No, we got a season pass. Yeah, go over there. Walk down. Make sure, the Hurricane Harbor. Is it over here? Or is that, that's it right there, right?
It's right there. Is that Hurricane Harbor straight ahead? Yeah. Oh my God, I see the water slide. She looking like that. She gotta see that. Don't you though?
Look at that junk. It's busy, y'all. Oh, I remember these days walking this little walk right here.
We took like a little bus thing.
Yeah, that's a little trail thing.
Yeah, right there.
It takes forever.
Well, when we come, we gonna be here. I want to be here when the park opens.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so where's Hurricane Harbor though?
Layla, you gonna go swimming?
It's like, I think when you go in, one side is to the left, one side to the right. Ain't it? Like,
I don't know. I ain't never been to Hurricane Harbor.
What you say, Kiki?
I don't know, but I'm going to Six Flags.
I'm excited too.
I'll see y'all later.
That's what Heaven was gonna do if she would have came. She wasn't coming. We can just go on Sunday. We got season passes. We can literally come on Sunday.
This is why
I catch the train down here to LA and we come on
I was
Sunday.
going to say Thursday, but
Yeah.
What do you mean, Harley? No, I'm good.
Alright, y'all. I just wanted to show you a little bit parking experience.
So when we get our card, we get free parking.
Yeah, you can fly out.
So what if we didn't have?
Crystal, you vlogging?
Yeah. Say hi, Cyrus. Oh, Alicia, Tiffany,
Welcome aboard.
Tram.
To the main gate plaza and the main entrance to Six Flags Magic Mountain and Hurricane Harbor. 2016 Six Flags Magic Mountain season passes are on sale. For just $10 more than a one-way ticket, you'll get unlimited visits now through the end of the 2000.
Y'all, your girl is baking, okay? When I say baking, I'm baking. I'm like baking. It's so hot. It's ridiculous. DJ, be still. Focus. We're taking pictures. I'm gonna just take video. It's too hot. Oh my God. Why are these people not ready? What's this? We made it. Hurricane Harbor. Okay, let's start this process. Y'all, those lines, all of that stuff was serious. No joke. This is why we should have been here earlier. What's your vlog's name? It's not a name, but my subscribers are my stars.
Hi, stars.
I had some at home. I had the whole vest.
Oh, you can buy them here, you know that.
It's probably like $60.
I'm getting in there. This is where David needs to go. Move, baby.
Okay, look, I don't want to hold this.
We gotta say hi. We gotta have fun.
So, I'm about to go because I'm hot and I need to get in water. Some sort.
I just drank all night. Mom, you know you like it.
Y'all want one?
A floaty.
Yeah, I want one too.
You got a bottle?
Yeah. You gotta rent it. Come on. Alright, we're about to go find the rental for our floaties. And we will catch y'all later. I'm tired. We're about to go to the car and eat. We're about to go to the car and eat. Ah, that's hot.
You need some milk.
You need some milk.
I do need some milk. I need to grow.
Oh, Percy's gonna love that part. gonna let him see that for sure.
That's it. Get over here.
Alright guys, so we're about to go eat. And I will talk to you stars in a little while.
What you need? They don't even know.
She was right there.
Hey, she about to have a funnel cake. I don't know where they went. I'm good. Look at this. It's so good. Okay, this is the funnel cake that we got. Beast, right? I'm about to tear this up, y'all. Hurricane Harbor was good to me. You can't see what I look like because I look pretty shitty. Look. Scary, right? But I'm about to tear it up. Alright, stars. I'll see y'all later.